different way. We're going to be using a method called layering, and we're going to show you how we did the steps. Now we are going to be peeling the skin of this tree about 1 inch. I'm going to use this knife, and be careful
because it's a sharp object.
Now let's do this.
We peel the skin, now you can see it's white.
Now we are gonna use cocoa peat, and we're gonna wrap it around it like this and we're gonna use a polythene cover so it will stay tight. This is cocoa peat, and we're gonna put this on the tree and wrap it around. Do that and wrap it around like this and tighten it. We wrap this really tightly like this, and it's gonna take a lot of days, and there's gonna be roots so you can see later, and yeah.
Planted this tree. Now we are going to plant this one. This is a different one, as you can see, because it's different color. That one is green and yellow, and this has orange and dark green. Now let's remove the pollinator. Look. Oops. There's so many roots.
There are so many roots. Now we have a pot of soil. We're gonna make a big hole and then plant it in. I think that's enough. Now let's plant it.
Yeah, first gonna put this in like that. Hold it. And we're gonna cover it. Soil. We need to make it super tight so it won't fall.
These are the plants we planted, and they look so pretty.
Yeah, and we hope you guys could plant trees, and it also is good for the environment.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, so
you guys will be the first one to watch newly posted videos like this.
So if you did all of that, we'll see you in a different video.
Bye!
Bye!